On the occasion of World Tourism Day, Uttar Pradesh Tourism and Amity University together are organizing a two-day conference, a national conference on tourism on 27th and 28th of September. I'm delighted to be a part of this conference, which will include many sessions and presentations by experts to discuss and bring forth tourism and cultural pride of Uttar Pradesh.
I welcome all the delegates who are going to share their intellectual expertise on the theme of the national conference, that is Annugachatu Pravah, Paryatan se Parivartan, Tourism and Cultural Pride of Uttar Pradesh.
एमआईटी यूनिवर्सिटी और टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट उत्तर प्रदेश दोनों साथ मिलकर के 27-28 सितंबर को विश्व पर्यटन दिवस मना रहे हैं। इस अवसर पर एक राष्ट्रीय सेमिनार भी होगा। इसमें ब्लॉगर्स, लेखक, कई तरीके के जो टूरिज्म में इंटरेस्ट रखने वाले लोग हैं वो जुटेंगे। और साथ ही साथ एक नए कलेवर में, एक नए स्वरूप में अयोध्या का विकास हो रहा है।
The proposed conference aims to bring eminent speakers from diverse fields to share their view on UP tourism and its rich cultural heritage.
Day 1 will include inaugural session and Day 2 will include valedictory session. The dates are 27th and 28th of September respectively. Save the dates and we look forward to your presence in the conference.